Now, we have a reduced sa Manila 50% crime reduction. Why? Wala na yung mga kriminal eh. Yun yung nag-hold up, nag-rape, lahat. Why? Because of drugs. Hindi nila maintindihan yan. So I do not expect the human rights, I do not expect Obama, I do not expect the EU to understand me. Do not understand me. And if you think it is high time for you guys to withdraw your assistance, go ahead. We will not beg for it. We have a problem here trying to preserve our society. And you mess up by human rights. Tinatakot pa ninyo kami yung assistance. Anong paningin ninyo? Anong paningin ninyo sa amin? How do you look at us? Mendicants? Na magsige lang, hindi kami sunod-sunod kami. We will survive. We will survive as a nation. Baski magkahirap gito, we will survive. I'll be the first one to go hungry and I'll be the first one to die of hunger. Huwag kayong mag-alala. But we will never compromise our dignity as a Filipino. Hirap na nga, inirape na nga, 11-year-old, araw-araw. It's a cycle of violence for everybody. Mga bata, nire-rape ang asawa pag-uwi. Yung army, pagtingin niya doon sa apartment niya, patay na yung asawa, anak niya. Hindi nyo intindihan, you'll never understand the pain that we are suffering for my countrymen. Go away, bring your money to somewhere else. We will survive as a nation. Pero, sige, tingnan natin. There's always a day for reckoning. Hindi lahat ng panahon inyo eh.